Hey guys, welcome this video. In this previous video, I want to show you how much language is available on the earth. And this video also people commenting how to translate a language to another language. Like I use German language for communication, but my friend using in English. So how I change how I understanding her language and he how understanding my language. So it is very big problem for language barrier. So today's video I want to give you a solution for this problem. So if you have a mobile, then you can solve this problem very easily. Just you need to this application. This application name is Google Translator. Okay, so guys, you need to just Google Translator application on your mobile. So first of all, you need to download this application on your mobile. uh, in the crowded noise for playing children in my house side, so this reason coming noise in my video, so please forgive me for this problem. So first of all, you need to Google Translator on your mobile. So when you download Google Translator on your mobile, just open it. It takes some time for loading. Okay, the Google Translator showing some interface like this. So when you open the Google Translator, then you can see something interface like something else on there, one star, Google Translator, and your Google account picture, and there is writing something, enter text, paste Bengali, English, and move the language between one another. Okay, and the near and the below you can see that conversation, camera, and also microphone. Okay, so if you see that the all program is available on the Google Translator, so you need to some time for spending. I just write thank you for but okay, so I write some text on this application, and that application is redirecting or translate my language to between another language. So first of all, I use like Norwegian. So if I write something in English, so it will be converting in Norwegian. So I write, how are you, my friend? So I write just, how are you, my friend? Then Google Translator will give me another option.
Hvordan har du det, min venn?
Okay, so I don't understand what is Raya saying on there, but I just for teaching purpose I translate this language in Norwegian. So if there was any your destination language like German, French, Armenian, Arabic, Hindi, Urdu, Tamil, Telugu, Karnataka, and some else language, you have to own it, you know them. And like my friend is speaking in German, so sometime he text with me in German, but I don't understand what is he say. So what I do, I copy her text and paste them on there, then I will got the answer, and I also write in English and translate it in German, and I will send him. But he don't know this all thing is doing by Google Translator, so it is very helpful software or application for you. And the second have some feature on there, you can see that they are writing something on there, it's English, just 1 minute, just English and history and star and also three dot icon. So if you face any problem about on this using this application, then you will go there and you will send a feedback. So to click your Google account picture, so when you click on your Google account picture, it will be redirect to you feedback and help. So if you send any feedback to Google team, then they will analyze your problem and they will get you a very good support. So if you face any problem to using Google Translator, you can say us or etc everything. So first of all, I change the language conversation. Okay, you can see that. Okay, just 1 minute, I change it. I don't understand. So conversation mean, I think I use the application to record my screen, so this reason it could not to be opened. So conversation mean, you can say something and it will be redirect to your friend, and if your friend says something, it will redirect to your translate to your language. So it is very good for each and other and everyone. So first of all, you need to click on conversation, then you can select the language it will be talking to you, and select the another language what is using your friend. So two are very similar and two are very different. So conversation mean, I talked with my friend directly, he is talking in German and I translate by me for English, and if I say English, it will be translate in German for him. So I think you understand. So if you think you can translate something in past but you need the text at this time, so what can you do for this case? Okay, don't panic, I will show you what are you do. Just click on this arrow line, I mark this and to show you. So just click this application. Okay, just 1 minute, uh just 1 minute. Okay, just 1 minute. You can see that this apply this option, sir, this option is history. This option is called history, or such thing you can see something in your roadside but you have not owned, you can click the symbol. So I just click history. Okay, and you can see that how much language I translate the to using it, it will be showing everything like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. The all thing you can show this application, it will be converting on there. Okay, okay, so I click this. Okay, there are another option to finding your conversation. Just click on this and it slide to top, and you can found how much language you can translate on there, and also with the time when you translate this language in your time, like February 18 2023, and another option February 16 2023, February 16 2023. So it is depending on you, it's depending on you, and you can find them very easily and quick way. Okay, just I say that how much time is spending for this video. So and the last option I want to show you how you can set the another default language. Just click on there, just 1 minute. Okay, just 1 minute, you just click the name of the language. I click in English. uh, okay, I redirect this in 1 hour. Okay, so you can find the another language or detect language. Detect language mean which language are you need, but you cannot understand what is writing on there. Detect language, and you can very easily write on this language on there. Like, I know what is the symbol of this language, I write on here, and Google Translator won't be what is the language. It is English, and I write something like this and this, then Google Translator will be find this what is language. It is so they said as this language is African. Okay, so I at this time I write some this type shape, and it will be show what is the language. Okay, okay, just 1 minute, I translate in English. What is the language? It is the language is name is recently using, it is language is Telugu. It is language is Telugu, useful in India, in the India. Okay, so this is the language I found that, and Google Translator will be know that this language is which language. Okay, so okay, this language is Chinese specific detected, or this language is said that. Okay, I write something new, I write something like this, just a 1 minute, just a 1 minute. Okay, I write this and write something there and there and there and there, and it will be see what is the language name. It is Chinese specific detection. Okay friend, I think is this video helpful for you a lot of. So if you like this video, please do like, subscribe in our channel. So if you have any video related problem like Google Translator, you can ask me in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will send you an invitation to watching the next video. Goodbye.